Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying this crazy Bitcoin run just like me. I wanted to share something with you that you don't want to miss. The Black Friday sale is here early and we're bringing you the best deal of the year. Starting November 18th till the 1st of December, we're offering an exclusive Black Friday discount that'll save you even more on our yearly plans. Here's what you get. Basic and essential plans both get an additional 15% off the annual price. And if you're going premium, you're in for a treat. We're giving you 25% off the yearly subscription. At Altrady, we're committed to giving you powerful trading tools, reliable features, and seamless trading experience across all your exchanges. With our annual plans, you're already saving 30% compared to our monthly pricing. This Black Friday discount boosts your savings up to 48% compared to our monthly rates. That's a huge difference in your pocket. So make sure to grab this deal because on the 1st of December, we're also increasing our pricing across the board. This Black Friday offer isn't just a chance to save big, it's your chance to lock in the best rates before they're gone. So don't wait and grab that deal, and then we'll see you on the platform.